Hey, hi. Do you want to know how to make 500 a month and then scale it up, up, and up? And how you can do this without a website, without a list, without a product of your own, and without any skill and with absolutely no money. I'm Linda Tremor, and if you keep watching, I will show you exactly what you need to do so you can start making money online now. Now, before we begin, be sure to subscribe so you can see more videos like this. And if you stay to the end, I will show you how to automate everything for even bigger paydays. You will learn how to get started, what website to use to do all of this, and to see how easy it is to do and that anybody can do it. It's newbie friendly. It can be done anywhere. It's repeatable, so you can do it over and over again. So let's get started with the training. We're over here at ClickBank.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up right here. Otherwise, you're going to log in. I'm going to log in because I have an account. But when you go to sign up here, it's very easy to do. It's free, and you're just going to enter everything here, and you're all set. So once you sign up and you log in, you want to go to Marketplace, and that'll be across the top. And then as you come down here, these are all the categories, the niches that you can use. Okay, so you can go down here, anything that you like, sports, travel, self-help, reference, like home and garden here. If you go to home and garden and maybe animal care, now these are all the offers. Now what you want to do is make sure they have an affiliate page, because the affiliate page is going to give you all kinds of information. When you hit promote, what'll happen is you'll put in your account nickname here, and you'll generate the hop link, and it'll give you a link that you can use to promote the product. So let me go here. Let me open this one up. And this will give you the affiliate page. And what you want to do for the affiliate page here is go down. You're going to have banners. You can have free giveaways, so you can give away things to your people if you have an email list. You've got email swipes, keyword ideas. Now, the email swipes or articles or even videos. Here's a promotional video. And you can use this. You can see right here you have the HTML code. Now you're going to do that if you have a website. If you don't have a website, you're going to go back. Here's brain training articles that you can use. Let me go back here to the email swipes. Now what I'm going to use the email swipe for is to make a video. So you can go through here and you can decide what email swipe you want to use, and then you can change it a little bit, and you can just use it for your video, for your PowerPoint. 10 reasons why your dog ignores your command. And is your dog giving you deaf ears? When this happens, and you just make a PowerPoint video, and you're all set. This is pretty good. Now, if I go back here, notice this is how much the average dollars per sale is. This gravity tells you how, the gravity tells you pretty much how successful it is. The higher the gravity, the more people who are selling it. Here's another one you can use. But as you go down here, let's see, like this one. Suppose you want to do how to house train and potty train your dog. There's no affiliate information here. So it's going to be hard to make a video, write an article, do whatever you're going to do to promote this one. So here's another one. This has an affiliate link, and all of these. Let's look at a different one. Let's say instead of dogs, parenting and families, there was something here that you wanted to do. Home and garden, health and fitness, weight loss is always good. As seen on TV, betting systems. There are a lot of betting systems here. cooking. Let's see what we have for cooking. Special diet, maybe. Okay, here's a metabolic cooking, $21 for sale. The gravity is 23.81. This tells you how popular it is. If I open the affiliate link here, and you're going to promote this cookbook, and here's all the tools they have for you. All kinds of nice things. YouTube videos, photos, brandable PDFs. So you can download a PDF and then give this away. You can use the PDF for your video that you're going to make, your review video, quick and easy cooking trip, 8 ingredients you should never cook with. These are emails, so this one might be a good video to make. You could do a video review. So this is what you're going to be looking for. And again, you're just going to hit promote here. You're going to get your link, and that's what you're going to do. Now, the thing is, you've got your link. What are you going to do with it? Okay, now let me remind you, the reason we're using ClickBank is that we don't need to get approval to promote the offer. Later on, you can try using JVZoo, Warrior Forum, and many of the other places where you can get affiliate offers. But right now, ClickBank will be the easiest one to use. So, let me recap. We've decided on a niche. We found a great offer in that niche. It has a lot of affiliate resources that we can use. Now remember, our goal is to make $500 a month to start and then scale it. So what are we going to do next? Well, we got to promote this offer. And of course, Facebook comes to mind. And you say, let me promote it on Facebook. The problem is this. Once you get your affiliate link from ClickBank, even if it's what they call a link that's cloaked, so it doesn't have ClickBank in the title or in the URL or anything, Facebook won't let you put it on there. They're just not going to let you put affiliate links on their platform. So how are we going to get around this? Well, we're going to promote our offer with YouTube videos. So you can set up a YouTube channel if you don't have one. Now you can do it one of 2, 3, 4 different ways. If you already have a channel, use that. If you're going to promote more than one offer in various niches, then just pick a name for your channel that will be kind of general. But if you're going to be specific, like the dog niche, pick a name that has something to do with dogs. And you're going to add other videos that have something to do with dogs. But now I can hear you right now saying, wait, I don't want a video. I don't want to show my face on the video. Well, you don't have to. You basically have about 4 different ways to make your video. You can make a video of you just talking about the product. And nowadays you can do that with a smartphone. It's very easy to do. Or you can do what they call a faceless video. Now, in a faceless video, you're going to use PowerPoint or Google Docs or OpenOffice or something where you can make slides. So you're going to set up the slides and then you're going to record them. You can do a voiceover using your own voice. If you don't want to use your own voice, you can use some of the free text-to-speech software that's online and record the audio there and put it in PowerPoint. Or you can just show the slides without a voice, but be sure to add a little music to it. So we're going to put the video on YouTube, and you've got to make sure that in the description you put in that affiliate link that you have from ClickBank. Then you're going to make sure you have a strong call to action in the video. You're going to say, click the link below. Click the link below so that people will go to your affiliate link. Then you're going to take your YouTube video link and put it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. The other thing I like to do is to promote my offer with Pinterest. Pinterest allows affiliate links. You can make a pin for Pinterest and you can put your direct affiliate link there, or you can put your YouTube video on Pinterest, whatever way you want to do it. You can make your pin using the free website canva.com. You can also make a YouTube thumbnail for your video on canva.com. Doing all this, you're well on your way to $500 a month. But the question is, how do we scale up? Well, you can offer other affiliate products and do the same thing for each one. Or you can buy paid traffic for your offer. Or you can look for other free traffic methods. And there are a lot of them out there. Forum marketing, article marketing, go to Quora, all kinds of different ways to promote your affiliate link. So let me recap. You're going to go to ClickBank and pick an offer. You're going to record a video and put it on YouTube. You're going to have a strong call to action in your video, and your affiliate link is going to be in your description of your YouTube video. You're going to use the YouTube link and promote it everywhere, and I mean everywhere. And you're going to repeat the process. And you can scale up to just about any amount of money you want doing this. But if you want a fast and easy way to do this, go to my bonus review page, which is in the description below, and click on the link below, and you'll see it. I also have it here. This generates $1,000 a day on autopilot. It's 100% done for you ClickBank review site, and they've preloaded reviews, videos, and bonuses even. And then free traffic is actually built into the site, which is pretty nifty. This is truly a done-for-you, effortless way to scale up and start making money as soon as possible. So there you have it, the ways to make $500 a month and scale it up to as much as you want. Again, with no website, no list, no money, no experience, no skills needed. You can do it all. So I really hope that you start and take action and start making money online now. And again, please subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.